CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, which is a massive update and onwards. Am I buying is the question which I'll be breaking down in this quick short 1-minute video. Nobody else in this space has an actual track record, has done 45,000 videos like these that I've done. It's taken me 5 years every single day of grinding, especially with CRCL. I do see the pre-market being a lot lower, which is fair. You know, we have a big demand zone. The only thing that would have made me buy here in this market is a double break. And if we open lower and then we break that top, I'm very risk averse, but that's definitely something that I'm looking at to take hopefully higher. Like I always say, like randomly buying, it's really not going to be happening. And with the bunch of receipts that I've also gotten with CRCL here, there's really like not lack of coverage. I have like 44 results in the Discord right there. So that's how it's looking like for me. And let me know what is your opinion on CRCL, but even if it comes lower, you know, and gives me confirmation there, that's also something that I probably would buy. But yeah, I'm just sticking to rules. So that's why I have this waiting text. If the rules are not met, I'm not moving forward. And if you want to get free sauce, you know, free money making emails and insights daily sent out to you, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. It's free.